Today I'm going to make ocean Jello shots. First in my bowl I'm going to add 1 packet of the Starburst Blue Raspberry Jello. Next I'm going to add 1.5 cups of boiling water. Next I'm just going to mix that up until the gelatin dissolves. Next I'm going to add 1.5 cups of vodka. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have my shot glass cups on these starfish plates, and now I'm going to fill up the cups. I put the Jello mixture into a measuring cup to make it easy to pour the shots. I'm going to fill each cup almost to the top. Now that I finished filling all the shots, I'm going to add 1 mini Swedish fish into each shot, and then I'm going to put these in the fridge for a few hours to set up. This is what the finished ocean Jello shots looked like.